Ma'am, can you explain about these charts?
Yeah, this is about like how to maintain your health. This season wise. Season wise see ಹಿತಬುಕ್ is ಹಿತವಾದ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಸುವ ಆಹಾರ ಸೇವಿಸಬೇಕು. That is only you have to consume the food which you like to have. Is it not? So that is hitabuk. So all of a sudden you are in some other state. Suppose you are in north. There they use all this roti.
Yes, different kind of food.
Different kind of food. All of a sudden you come to south.
Different kind of
here
food.
rice.
Yes.
So you can't tell people to like all of a sudden you can't change over to that. Is it
Yes,
not?
yes, yes.
So whatever is your the region where you are,
There are special
the
food.
food what
Yes.
you eat over there.
Yes, yes.
Like what your parents would have eaten. Is it
Yes.
not? So
Different
that food we need to eat.
Yes.
Not the food which comes from outside. Now globalization is there.
Yes, yes.
So the food whichever like what you call as pizza, burger were there in our parents' time.
No, it's in Chinese Western food.
Yes.
Yes.
We can't digest that. We
Yes,
can't be
yes.
digesting such
Okay.
kind of junk food. Okay. For them it might be good, but we cannot be. See, one day if you take gobi manchuri, don't you feel like you can't even digest it? Like,
Yes,
is it
yes.
not?
Yes.
So whatever ingredients are there, like Ajinomoto and all such maida and all such
Masalas.
things, maida we can't digest actually. So all these things we can't be digesting. What is digestible to us, what is good for us, only those things we have to eat. So that is hitabuk. Rutubuk is about season. Seasonally,
Seasonal food.
seasonal food.
Yes.
So in particular, now again globalization. Because of globalization, what happens is we will eat throughout the year. We get all sorts of
Food. Yes.
fruits and vegetables.
Yes.
That is why we are not healthy.
Yes,
The present generation is not healthy because we are not eating seasonal food.
Okay,
We
yes,
eat
yes.
now it's available in the market. It's because of the marketing techniques and globalization we are
New
finding.
techniques,
Yes.
very new techniques.
So and another thing is seasonal. That's what seasonal fruits you should eat. Seasonal vegetables you
Vegetables,
should eat
yes.
in the place where you are born and brought up. Okay.
Yes,
All of a sudden you can't go for noodles and all such things,
Yes,
right?
okay.
We can't be digesting it. Then comes see food in proper quantity. The stomach is divided into 4 parts actually.
Okay.
So 2 parts you should eat solid food. 1 part is for water, and
Okay.
1 part you should leave it like a mixie. In a mixie,
Okay.
see if you fill it up, you can't. It won't.
Close it.
Yeah,
Yes.
you can't. Like if you close, if you like if you put it on, it won't become a good paste, right?
Yes, yes.
So what you have to do is leave quarter space. The same thing is our stomach. So we have to leave it for
Empty.
grinding
Empty
it,
space.
and it will get digested.
Okay.
Okay. So you are watching now. You watch mobile, not TV. TV is gone now. Mobile. You keep watching the mobile. Keep on munching. You'll never know where to stop. Is it
Yes,
not?
yes.
You have to eat only half. Still, you should feel hungry. That time itself, you should stop eating. Only then you can
Yes.
digest it, so that the next food, at least 2 to 3 hours, you need to give a gap for the next meal.
Yes.
Okay, that is one thing. Yeah, all this about thing. So outside food and all you should not eat.
We should avoid outside street food.
Yeah, street cut items
Yes,
like
yes.
cut fruits and all that. So the same thing goes with your bhel puri, pani puri and all.
Okay.
Okay, how you never know. These days you are getting all sorts of like